Ayan, so wala nang intro-intro, simulan na natin to. Ayan, so good morning mga ka-healthy lovers, mga organic product lovers, mga barley lovers, and Vitabella Suki. Ayan, so tayo ay nasa day 3 ng pagtitimpla ng ating barley, and syempre nilagyan ko siya ng collagen peptide ng Vitabella din. Ayan, so ano nga ba meron dito sa collagen peptide, no? So kapag ginugol nyo siya, no, makikita nyo dito, one of my reference is Cleveland Clinic, said that it is effective for improving skin hydration and skin elasticity. It is also possibly effective for relieving pain and improving joint function in people with knee osteoarthritis. Ayan. So, maganda rin pala yung benefits niya, no? So, kung kayo may nararamdaman na sa mga tuhod nyo, sa mga joints nyo, so maganda rin tong collagen peptides na i-add nyo sa mga drinks ninyo. Pwedeng sa coffee, pwedeng sa mga shakes, pwedeng kahit sa beverages na gusto niyo, wag lang sa alak, no? Anyway, dito naman tayo sa common benefits ng barley. Ayan, so according to Healthline, barley grass is rich in variety of important nutrients such as barley grass has fiber boosting your immune system, and it has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, antioxidants, and many more. So it also may balance blood sugar levels and may support heart health, also promote weight loss because it is low in calorie but high in fiber, making it great condition on a healthy weight loss diet. So ano pa inaantay nyo mga ka-healthy? Try it now. Bye!